Logs are raw material. A firewall deny, an endpoint event, and an identity sign-in can all be useful. But a log line is not an alert by itself. Detection engineering is the discipline of turning selected fields, context, and thresholds into a decision an analyst can trust. Start with the decision need. Before writing a query, ask what behavior matters, what response would change, and what evidence must be present. A senior engineer does not collect logs hoping a pattern appears. They define the decision and work backward to the data. Parsing matters because different tools name the same concept differently. One product says source user, another says actor, another buries the account in a message string. Normalize fields before you write rules, or the detection will be brittle and hard to tune. Context reduces noise. The same login failure pattern means different things on a test account, a privileged admin, a service account, or a finance executive. Enrichment adds asset value, identity role, known change windows, and threat intelligence so the rule can prioritize what matters. Correlation builds confidence. One failed login is usually noise. Failed logins plus impossible travel, new device registration, and sensitive application access within the same time window is a different story. The key is correlating around entity, behavior, and time. Thresholds need baselines. 10 events per minute might be normal for a batch service and strange for a human user. A good detection compares behavior to a baseline for that entity, that system, and that time window instead of applying one global number everywhere. Tuning is engineering. It is not simply lowering sensitivity until the queue is quiet. You measure false positives, false negatives, analyst disposition, incident outcomes, and coverage gaps. Then you adjust logic with evidence and document the reason. Actionable also means owned. If an alert fires but nobody knows who should take it, what evidence supports it, or what next step is expected, it is not operationally ready. Define owner, severity, evidence summary, and escalation path as part of the detection. Now test the decision. A VPN brute force rule fires hundreds of alerts during a scheduled maintenance window. Some events involve privileged users, and most involve expected service checks. What should the detection engineer do first? A. Disable VPN monitoring for the week. B. Enrich and segment the alerts by user role, source, and maintenance context before tuning. C. Raise every event to critical severity. D. Delete the rule because it is noisy. The strongest first move is B. Enrich and segment the alerts. You preserve VPN coverage, separate expected maintenance behavior from suspicious activity, and keep privileged user risk visible. Then tune thresholds, exceptions, and severity logic with documented evidence. The SecurityX takeaway is simple. More logs do not automatically create better detection. Actionable alerts come from an engineered loop. Define the decision, parse useful telemetry, enrich with context, correlate signals, tune with evidence, and assign a clear owner and next action.